Welcome to Everyday Health Guide. Today, we have an important topic for you: nerve health. Our nerves play a vital role in everything we do, from movement to feeling sensations. But did you know that what you eat can help heal and strengthen your nerves? In today's video, we'll talk about 8 best fruits for nerve damage and nerve health. Stay tuned until the end because we have a bonus tip for you. Let's begin. 1. Blueberries. First on our list is blueberries. These small but powerful berries are packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress on nerves. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to nerve damage over time. Blueberries also contain vitamin C and vitamin K, which support nerve function and brain health. Research suggests that consuming blueberries regularly can help improve memory, enhance cognitive function, and reduce inflammation, which is often the root cause of nerve pain. Blueberries can be enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. 2. Bananas. Next, we have bananas, a delicious and nutritious fruit that is rich in vitamin B6. This vitamin plays a crucial role in nerve communication and neurotransmitter production. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that allow nerves to send signals efficiently throughout the body. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can lead to nerve dysfunction, tingling, numbness, and weakness. Bananas also provide potassium, an essential mineral that supports muscle contractions, maintains nerve function, and prevents cramps. If you suffer from nerve pain, eating a banana daily may help provide relief and promote overall nerve health. 3. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, but they also play an essential role in nerve health and repair. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. It also aids in the production of collagen, which is necessary for the regeneration and repair of nerve tissues. Additionally, oranges contain folate, a B vitamin that is vital for nerve development, cognitive function, and brain health. Drinking fresh orange juice or eating an orange daily can help prevent nerve degeneration and improve overall nervous system function. Number 4 on our list is avocados, one of the healthiest fruits for nerve health. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining the structure of nerve cells and preventing damage. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce nerve inflammation and support nerve regeneration. Furthermore, avocados contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Another key nutrient in avocados is magnesium, which helps relax nerves, improve signal transmission, and prevent muscle cramps associated with nerve damage. Adding avocados to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies is a great way to nourish your nervous system. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are another powerhouse fruit that can benefit nerve health. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and folate, all of which contribute to protecting nerves from oxidative damage and supporting their function. The flavonoids in strawberries help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, which is crucial for nerve healing and repair. A well-functioning circulatory system ensures that oxygen and essential nutrients reach the nerves efficiently, helping them function at their best. Including strawberries in your daily diet, whether eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to cereals, can be an enjoyable way to support your nerve health. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit rich in vitamin C and bromelain, a natural enzyme that possesses anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Bromelain helps reduce swelling and inflammation in nerves, making it an excellent fruit for those suffering from nerve pain or injuries. Additionally, The high vitamin C content in pineapple aids in nerve cell repair and protection, preventing further damage. Pineapple is particularly beneficial for people who experience neuropathy or nerve compression issues. Consuming fresh pineapple or drinking natural pineapple juice can help soothe nerve discomfort and improve overall nerve function. 7. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are an excellent source of resveratrol, a natural compound that has been proven to protect nerve cells from damage and degeneration. Resveratrol is a potent antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to nerve-related disorders. Grapes also contain flavonoids and vitamin K, which support proper nerve function and improve blood circulation. Enhanced circulation ensures that nerves receive an adequate supply of nutrients and oxygen, which promotes faster healing and stronger nerve connections. Eating a handful of grapes daily or drinking grape juice can be an easy way to enhance nerve health. 8. Watermelon. Last but not least, we have watermelon, one of the most refreshing and hydrating fruits that support nerve health. Watermelon is rich in water content, antioxidants, and amino acids, which help maintain nerve hydration, reduce inflammation, and improve overall nerve function. One of the key antioxidants in watermelon is lycopene, which has been shown to protect nerve cells from degeneration and support cognitive function. Watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that promotes better blood flow to the nerves, ensuring that they receive the nutrients needed for optimal function and repair. Enjoying a slice of watermelon, especially during hot weather, can be both hydrating and beneficial for your nervous system. Bonus tip. Now, as promised, here's a bonus tip. Along with fruits, nuts, and seeds are incredibly beneficial for nerve health. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and magnesium, which help protect, repair, and strengthen nerves. These nutrients play a significant role in reducing inflammation, improving nerve signaling, and preventing nerve damage. Try adding a handful of nuts and seeds to your daily diet for even better results. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Which of these fruits do you already eat? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday Health Guide for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care. Subscribe now. Watch more videos.